Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to give money or send transfer money from your Wise account to bank account. So for this what you need to do is go to the browser here, then you have to search for the wise.com, and once you search in the here then you will get this page. After that you have to click on the send money option. From here you have to choose the send money option, and once you click on the send money option you have to wait couple of seconds according to your internet speed. After that you can simply choose your amount that you would like to send. For example, I would like to send 200 USD to for example, I would like to go send it to the United Arab Emirates. And then what you need to do is here you have to click on the add recipient, and here you can easily enter the bank details of the recipient that you would like to add. For example, I would like to take another bank account, and here you can see their email, full name, IBAN number, country, city, recipient address, postcode. After you click on the continue, you will simply go to the review option, and after that when you are in the review option you have to just make sure that you have chosen the correct amount of money, and then you have to click on the pay option. From here then it will simply cut down your money from your preferred method. For example, if you have choose the bank account, then it will take the bank account, and if you choose the Wise own balance, then it will cut down the money from your Wise own balance and send it to the recipient address that you will add here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.